Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. Which is the oldest artificial seaport in India? A. Chennai Port, B. Kolkata Port, C. Mumbai Port, and D. Gujarat Port. The correct answer is Chennai Port. Chennai Port is the oldest artificial seaport in India. It is located on the Coromandel coast in the Bay of Bengal. It is the second largest container port in India. Question number 2. The disk operating system MS-DOS was originally written by whom? A. Bill Gates, B. Mary Maxwell Gates, C. John Ray Opel, and D. Tim Peterson. The correct answer is Tim Peterson. MS-DOS, originally written by Tim Peterson and introduced by Microsoft in August 1981 and was last updated in 1994 when MS-DOS 6.22 was released. Question number 3. What is the name of the spacecraft that orbited Saturn and its moon, providing detailed observation and data? A. Galileo, B. Voyager, C. Cassini, and D. Juno. The correct answer is Cassini. Cassini was a sophisticated robotic spacecraft sent to study Saturn and its complex system of rings and moon in unprecedented detail. It was one of the most ambitious efforts ever mounted in planetary explorations. Question number 4. Which version of the Ramayana is written by Tulsidas? A. Ramcharitmanas, B. Adhyatma Ramayana, B. Kamba Ramayana, and D. Ramavataranam. The correct answer is Ramcharitmanas. Tulsidas wrote the Ramcharitmanas in Awadhi language, which is a retelling of Valmiki Ramayana with a devotional focus on Lord Ram. Question number 5. Which of the following Indian island lies between India and Sri Lanka? A. Elephanta, B. Rameswaram, C. Nicobar, and D. Sete. The correct answer is Nicobar. Question number 6. The average human body contains approximately how much muscles? A. 600, B. 500, C. 450, and D. 400. The correct answer is 600. Question number 7. What was the name of the first professional basketball league in the United States? A. NBA, B. ABA, C. NBL, and D. BAA. The correct answer is NBL. The National Basketball League (NBL) was the first professional basketball league in the United States. Forming in 1898, the league was based in the Philadelphia and included teams from New York City to Wilmington, Delaware. Question number 8. In which year was the air transport nationalized in India? A. 1950, B. 1953, C. 1961, and D. 1963. The correct answer is 1953. Air transport was nationalized in India in the year of 1953. The Government of India passed the Air Corporation Act 1953, which led to the nationalization of the airline industry. Question number 9. Which of the following state is known as a cradle of Indian banking? A. Kerala, B. Maharashtra, C. Tamil Nadu, and D. Karnataka. The correct answer is Karnataka. The state of Karnataka, particularly the region comprising the coastal district of Daskina Kannada and Udupi, is called as a cradle of banking in India. This is because 7 of the country's leading banks, Canara Bank, Syndicate Bank, Corporation Bank, Vijaya Bank, Karnataka Bank, Viswa Bank, and the State Bank of Mysore, originated from this state. Question number 10. What music instrument is Raman famously known for playing? A. Flute, B. Veena, C. Drum, and D. Harp. The correct answer is Veena. Question number 11. How long is each period in a standard hockey game? A. 15 minutes, B. 20 minutes, C. 25 minutes, and D. 30 minutes. The correct answer is 20 minutes. Question number 12. The position of Indian Railways network in the world is A. Second, B. Third, C. Fourth, and D. Sixth. The correct answer is 4. As of 2024, the Indian Railway is the 4th largest railway network in the world by size. It is also the largest railway network in Asia. Question number 13. What is the name of the largest moon of Saturn? A. Enceladus, B. Titans, C. Mimas, and D. Rhea. The correct answer is Titan. Titan is the name of Saturn's largest moon. It's also the second largest moon in our solar system, after Jupiter moon Ganymede. Question number 14. How many bits are used in IPv6 address in computer network? A. 4-bit, B. 32-bit, C. 64-bit, and D. 128-bit. The correct answer is 128-bit. All IPv6 addresses are 128-bit long within or written as a 8 section of 16-bit each. They are expressed in hexadecimal representation, so the section range from 0 to 4 times f. Question number 15. Which one among the following is an ancient name of Tokyo? A. Edo, B. Gifu, C. Osaka, and D. Oslo. The correct answer is Edo. Edo is the former name of Tokyo, which literally translates the estuary, referencing the city location where the Sumida River meets Tokyo Bay. Question number 16. Who said printing is the ultimate gift of God and the greatest one? A. Erasmus, B. Mercier, C. Thomas Paine, and D. Martin Luther. The correct answer is Martin Luther. Martin Luther was a German reformer who was critical of Roman Catholic Church. Luther believed that the printing press would help spread logical idea and expose the excess of the Roman Catholic Church. Question number 17. Which was the first web search engine? A. Google, B. Yahoo, C. Archie, and D. DuckDuckGo. The correct answer is Archie. Archie is the first web search engine. It was created by Alan M. Page, a student at McGill University in Montreal, Quebec, Canada in 1990. Question number 18. What phenomena can be observed on the photosphere of the sun? A. Solar flares. B. Coronal loops. C. Sunspots. And D. Prominences. The correct answer is sunspots. The most prominent phenomena observed on the sun photosphere is sunspot, dark area appearing on the surface caused by intense magnetic field, which are easiest feature to detect visual on the photosphere. Other observable features include faculae and granulation. Question number 19. What is the maximum length of a badminton racket including its handle? A. 750 mm, B. 700 mm, C. 600 mm, and D. 680 mm. The correct answer is 680 mm. A typical racket length is between 665 mm to 675 mm and should not exceed 680 mm. The Badminton World Federation has set this limit. Question number 20. Which among the following countries commenced first plastic notes? A. China, B. America, C. Canada, and D. Australia. The correct answer is Australia. Modern polymer banknotes were first developed by the Reserve Bank of Australia, Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organisation, and the University of Melbourne first issued as a currency in Australia in 1988. In 1996, Australia switched completely to polymer banknotes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.